In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand kit. From the homepage, you can click on brand and you'll see that this is available for pro members. So I'm going to hop over to my pro account to show you how to do this. There are brand templates and brand kits. Brand templates are actual designs like YouTube thumbnails or Instagram posts or any sort of design that you create and you've used and you can save as a template, versus a brand kit is the colors, the fonts, the logos, the assets that you want to upload that you have available for any design that you're working on. And that's what I'm showing you today. So we already saw that I have a brand kit for my video school brand, but I've also added logos for my other brand, which is Photography and Friends, which would make more sense to create as its own brand. And so that's what I'm going to do right now. Click on brand kits and then click add new, and I'm going to call this Photo Friends and create. So here in our brand kit, we could add all of our different elements. So I'm going to go ahead and add some logos. So I have several logos for the Photography and Friends brand that I'm uploading. Some that will work better on a design with a light background, some that will work better with a dark background. Now we can add our colors. So we want to add our color swatches here. Now here you're going to need to know that code for our colors so you can type it in. You could create it from scratch here, but it's more important to find the specific color. So if you don't know the color, here's a pro tip. Go up here to your logo and click extract color palette, and it's going to actually apply them right here into your brand kit. Another option, if you don't have a logo or if you have other colors you use but you created them in Canva or they're in an image or anything, you can actually open up a new project. You can go to that color, you can upload it, then add it into this design, and then go up to the color here, click on it, and now you have that specific code that you can then go back and take to your brand kit. For example, this background is a specific, not exactly black, it's like a dark gray. So I can take this code here, go back to my brand kit, we're going to select keep from that previous import, and then add a new color, and we're going to add that black. We'll call this dark gray. And we can rename any of these. So PF yellow would be Photo Friends yellow. Maybe I don't want that black actually, so we're gonna remove that, and we're just going to add pure white, which is also another color we use. So we have a very simple color palette for Photo Friends. Next, we have our fonts. So here they break it down for titles, subtitles, headers, etc. So within any of these, you can go in and choose the font that you use. We use Railway for a lot of our designs. We use something like black for our titles. You could adjust the sizing, bold, italics, etc. for each of these, and then click the checkbox to save it. So you would want to go in through each of those. And then down below, we have things like photos, graphics, and icons. If you reuse anything like that, you would want to upload those here. And then there's one other thing that you might consider if you're using the new generative AI tools that Canva has to offer, is this magic write, where it will actually generate text for you. And you could add brand voice, so you can adjust things. So say we are a photography brand, we're very friendly to beginners, or it could be we are edgy and cater towards professionals. Whatever your brand personality is, that is what you would include here. Now let's go back to our Square Instagram post, and we want to adjust these colors to match our brand. So under brand, we need to switch to our Photo Friends brand kit. It's going to change to the brand we're using, and we're going to apply these colors. So we're going to shuffle our colors in until it's something that we like. So maybe something like, I like the black background, so that's good to start. And then we can just adjust our text here and our text color to that yellow, maybe this swish to the yellow as well. And there we go. And we have our logos we can slap on here. Maybe we want our different logo, just our little lightning bolt. So that's how you can use a brand kit in Canva. I know it's a pro feature, but I did want to cover it because it's something that can save you a ton of time. All right, thank you so much for watching. And in the next lesson, we are going to get a little bit more advanced with the video features in Canva.